and how are you? I hope students you are taking the precautions regarding coronavirus and you are doing study at home. Student, in this lecture we are going to learn English subject lesson number 1.6 a collage. So student, you heard this name collage. So collage is the art of creating such a compositions. A collage is a piece of the arts created by combing the photo, clipping and small object onto a surface. Collage is words which comes from the French verbs coller. Okay, and collage meaning to the glue to the artistic process or of gluing, assembling various material to a flat surface. Collage can refers to a both an actual process of the cutting and pasting and as well as the final artist produce. Many times we saw this type collage on a wall also. Okay. So student, in this lesson I have given one collage. You can see in a picture this collage of the Swami Vivekananda. How they made the collage? You can see they stick one photo of the collage, Swami Vivekananda, and they stick the quotes of the Swami Vivekananda. So student, this type quotes we also can make. Okay, how to make? We will see. Okay, first they have given the collage of the Swami Vivekananda. How they made this collage? Okay, Swami Vivekananda, born Narendra Datta, okay, was a great personality who made the world aware of the greatness of the Indian philosophy. Okay, so Swami Vivekananda was the great philosophy of India. He was a great personality of India. At the Parliament of World's Religions, he began his speech with the sister and brothers of America. At his words, he received a 2-minute standing ovations, and he gave the speech in a parliament, okay, with his brothers and sister of America, and he received the standing ovations for 2 minutes. He emphasizes the importance of selfishness and service to mankind. Okay, he gives the importance of the selfishness and service of mankind. Selfishness means every time we should not be think for ourselves. Others, we should be care of others. Okay, we should be think for others. And service to mankind. Always we should be the mankind. He is regarded as a patriotic sant. He was a patriotic sant. Okay, here I have given the some parts. What is there? Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. He gave the nice message to us. He said, arise and awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. Whenever you not achieve your goals, don't stop. Try again. Try. Okay. Try and try. Whenever you will not get the yours goal. Okay. Afterwards, he gave the next message. Take to yourself at least. Talk to yourself at least once in a day. Otherwise, you may miss a meeting with an excellent person in the world. Swami Vivekananda said, in the world have many persons, every person is unique and every person is excellent. So always talk to yourself in at least one time in a day. After our day, we can talk to ourselves? No. So Swami Vivekananda said to us, here at least talk to yourself at least one time in a day. Otherwise, you will miss the excellent person in the world. So who is the excellent person? We. Every person is very excellent. Okay, afterwards he say, take up one idea, make that one idea your life. He said, take your one idea and make that one idea your life. Think it, dream of it. Okay, always think. Take one idea and try work on them. Live on the idea. Let the brain, muscle, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea and just leave every other's idea alone. This is the way to success. Means Swami Vivekananda said, take one idea and say to your all body, brain, muscle, nerves, every part of the body. Always think about your idea. When you are always thinking, that time you will try to achieve this thing. Okay. Next one is say, fill the brain with high thoughts, highest idea. Place them day and night before you and out. Of that will come great work. He said, fill the brain with high thought. In a brain, every time you should be think good. In a brain of one high thought and highest ideas. Every time we should, in our thought should be high. Place them day and night before you, and out of that will come great work. When you will think about that your idea, then that time it will come great work. Whatever you think, that will be. He say, whatever you think, that you will be. Okay, if you think yourself weak, so weak you will be. Okay, if you think yourself strong, so strong will be. So Swami Vivekananda say, whatever you think, you will be. Okay, so Swami Vivekananda say to us, always think positive, always think good about self. Whatever you will think to yourself, you will be that. So always think positive yourself. Okay, I hope students you understood this collage, how they made. They stick Swami Vivekananda photo. They in a first year. First they just stick one incidents about the Swami Vivekananda. Stick the some quotes of the Swami Vivekananda. So students, you also can make this type of collage. It's looking very beautiful. So you have to collect the informations about your favorite historical personality. Okay, with the help of the internet, you can collect the informations, and students make like this. You also make you may also gather the photographs, pictures, and prepare a collage using the picture, inspirational quotes, and brief description of the person importance. Okay, and hold these exhibitions on your college in the classroom. Okay, they said they make this type college and put in the exhibitions in the classroom. Okay. So I hope students you will make this types collage. It's looking very good, and whenever you make, and always keep front of your eyes every time you are reading, and you also thinking the good. Okay. I hope students you understood this lesson, and you will make the collage. Okay.